In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to assign a task in Basecamp. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started with team collaborations, knowing how to effectively delegate tasks is crucial. Basecamp is a fantastic tool for organizing projects and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let's dive in and see just how easy it is to assign tasks within this platform. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to basecamp.com. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you have full access to your projects. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look through your list of projects. You'll need to select the specific project you want to work with. Just click on the project title to open it. This will bring up the project's main dashboard, where you can see all the tools and options available to you. Now, within your project dashboard, look for the section labeled Tutors. This is a key feature in Basecamp that helps keep track of tasks and assignments. Click on Tutors to open up the task list associated with your project. Here, you'll find all the tasks that need to be completed, along with their current status. Next, within the to-dos list, find the specific task you want to assign. Simply click on the task to open its details. This action will bring up more information about the task, including who is currently responsible for it, if anyone has been assigned yet. Now, focus on the Assigned To field. This is where you'll type in the name of the person to whom you want to assign the task. Start typing their name, and Basecamp will usually suggest people from your team. This feature makes it super convenient to ensure you're assigning the task to the right person without having to scroll through a long list of team members. Once you've selected the appropriate team member, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom or side of the Task Details window. Click Save to finalize the assignment. This step is crucial because it ensures that the task is officially assigned and the designated team member will likely receive a notification regarding their new responsibility. And there you have it. You've successfully assigned a task in Basecamp. It's a straightforward process, but it's a powerful way to keep your team organized and your projects moving forward. Here's a quick recap. You started by going to basecamp.com and logging in. Then, you selected your project, navigated to the To-Dos section, clicked on the specific task, entered the name of the person to assign it to, and finally, saved your changes. Remember, effective task management is essential for any successful project. By assigning tasks clearly and efficiently, you ensure everyone knows what they need to do and when they need to do it. This helps avoid any confusion or overlap and keeps your team productive and focused. Thanks for watching this quick guide on assigning tasks in Basecamp. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our content to enhance your project management skills. Happy organizing!